Want to lose up to 4 pounds in just 10 days without dieting, working out more, or buying expensive supplements? This $1 fat-burning detox drink takes less than 1 minute to make and uses 3 simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. It works by shrinking your appetite, reducing bloating, stabilizing blood sugar, and turning on your body's natural fat-burning switch. And it's especially powerful if you're over 40. Stick around to the end, and I'll show you exactly how to make it, when to drink it, and 3 mistakes that cancel out its results. Now look, there are a ton of detox drinks out there. Most of them are full of hype and no real science. But this one? It's backed by research and made of real whole ingredients that have been shown to support weight loss, boost digestion, lower blood sugar spikes, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Think of it like giving your metabolism a gentle nudge every morning, without harsh chemicals or starvation diets. This drink works especially well when you're trying to lose stubborn belly fat because it tackles 3 of the biggest fat loss blockers: insulin resistance, slow digestion, and chronic bloating. Let's break it down. The 3 ingredients, all you need is 1. Lemon juice. Fresh squeezed is best, but bottled works in a pinch. Lemon juice helps alkalize the body, reduce bloating, and kickstart digestion. It's rich in vitamin C, which also supports your liver, a key organ in fat metabolism. 2. Apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is the real star of the drink. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce fat accumulation, especially in the belly. In one study, people who drank ACV daily lost more weight and body fat than those who didn't, even without changing their diet. Make sure it's unfiltered and raw. Look for the cloudy strands floating in the bottle. That's the good stuff. 3. Cayenne pepper or ground cinnamon. Both are metabolism boosters, but they work a little differently. Cayenne contains capsaicin, which heats up your body and helps burn more calories. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and curb cravings throughout the day. You only need a pinch of one or the other. Pick whichever fits your taste or health needs. Optional. Add a little warm water to dilute it and a few drops of stevia or raw honey to sweeten it naturally. Here's the quick recipe. $1. Detox. Drink recipe: 1 tablespoon lemon juice, tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar with the mother, a pinch of cayenne pepper or ground cinnamon, 8 to 10 oz of warm or room temperature water. Optional. 2 to 3 drops of stevia or 1/2 cup pespi raw honey. Mix it all together. Stir or shake well. Drink immediately. That's it. Less than 60 seconds. When to drink it. Timing matters. For best results, drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This is when your insulin is low and your metabolism is most responsive. You can also take it 30 minutes before your biggest meal to help control your appetite and reduce blood sugar spikes. Do this once or twice a day for 10 days and watch what happens. Many people report flatter stomachs, less bloating, fewer sugar cravings, and yes, weight loss, up to 4 pounds or more in just 10 days. And that's without changing your diet or exercise routine. 3. Mistakes that cancel out the results now. Don't make these common mistakes. They can completely cancel out the benefits. Mistake number 1, using pasteurized vinegar. If your apple cider vinegar is clear, filtered, or pasteurized, it's not the right kind. You need the raw, unfiltered version with the mother. That's where the enzymes and good bacteria live. Mistake number 2, drinking it too fast or too strong. This isn't a shot, it's a sipping drink. Chugging it or making it too strong can irritate your stomach lining. Start light. You can always build up over time. Mistake number 3, taking it with meals. You want this drink to work with your digestion, not against it. Take it before eating or at least 2 hours after a meal to get the most benefit. What to expect in 10 days? So what can you expect in just 10 days? Day 1 to 3, less bloating, more regular digestion, Slight appetite reduction, day 4 to 7. More energy in the morning. Cravings for sugar and snacks start to fade. Slight drop in weight, mostly from inflammation and water, day 8 to 10. Noticeable difference in how your clothes fit to 4 pounds lost for many people. A flatter, lighter feeling midsection. Now remember, this drink works best when combined with other fat loss habits like walking, sleep, and hydration. And if you're already doing things like intermittent fasting or morning walks, this drink will amplify those results. This $1 detox drink isn't a magic bullet, nothing is. But it is a powerful tool that makes fat loss easier when done consistently. Here's what to do next. Try this drink for the next 10 days. Track your results, especially bloating, energy, and how your clothes fit. Watch this video next. Walking hacks that melt belly fat fast. It's the perfect pairing with this morning drink. Click the link on screen or in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next simple fat loss strategy. We'll see you in the next video.